but it did drain, so more than likely it's going to be clogged. So we're going to drain the rest of the water out and see if there's anything. So yeah, it's full. So that'll do it every time. And now it's all clean, so we're gonna put it back together, and this what was all in. And these things can be a headache trying to get them back in there, right? I had to do it like 3 or 4 times before I could get it to stop leaking, but we got it. But it can be a headache, so I'm just gonna make sure it drains out. Okay, so it's draining out.